All right, let's take a look at how to search groups with an easy messenger and build your list from there. So first off, we're going to come over here to groups on the side here. We're going to click that. Then we're going to go to your groups. If you're new at this and you don't have any groups, when you type in any type of an industry up here and then search groups, you can join them from there. There'll be a list that populates on the right here. And then if it's a private group, you have to wait to be accepted. If it's a public group, you can join instantly. All right, so I'm going to go to my own groups that I haven't access to, that I'm already a member of. And so I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to go to any of these. It doesn't really matter which one for testing purposes. Click on people. Sometimes it says members. Then you're going to see a list of people over here. And so then I'm going to come down here to my little easy button on the far left-hand side. And then I can use keywords if I want, or I can just hit start and it'll automatically start picking up some people. So I'm going to use an example here from some different keywords I'm looking for. So maybe like CEO, president. And the reason that I'm putting in these keywords is because I want to talk to people who are decision makers. And so if I don't talk to a founder, a CEO, a president, something like that, it's going to be difficult for me to talk to somebody that is then able to make the decision on a buying opportunity without someone like that involved. So that's just an example. There's a lot of other ones that you can use, and that's the beauty of having the keywords here. And so negative keyword might be like if I'm looking for marketing, maybe I don't want telemarketer, or maybe I don't want some other type of marketing. So I'm just going to put telemarketer down here. Lock that in with either an enter key or a comma. Start searching. Once it comes across somebody that matches my criteria, that's either a CEO, a president, a founder, or a vice president in this case, it'll automatically add them to my list over here. Sometimes it takes a little while if you have a specific audience that you're looking for, but just give it some time and it will start to populate those people in a list. There's my first one. All right, for testing purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and stop this. This will keep going and going. I'm going to stop this for now, and I'm going to save my list. And so I always use whatever group that I'm in as a indicator for my title. And so in this case, it's marketing agency owner and appointment setter. So I'm going to basically abbreviate that MAO, owners and setters, something like that. And then when I save that, that will populate over here in my settings screen under. All right, once it saves, there you go. That is how you use groups within the Easy Messenger platform.